Hello and welcome to pH Biology. Today's explainer is oxygen debt, the extra oxygen the body needs after exercise to break down the lactic acid that built up during anaerobic respiration. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it is, how the body repays it, and why you pant after a sprint. Oxygen debt is the extra oxygen needed after exercise to break down the lactic acid that built up during anaerobic respiration. While you're sprinting, your muscles outpace oxygen supply and switch to anaerobic respiration, producing lactic acid. After you stop, your body still needs oxygen to clear the lactic acid. 3 things. 1. Heart rate and breathing rate stay high after exercise to deliver the extra oxygen. 2. Lactic acid is oxidized to carbon dioxide and water, or transported to the liver and converted back to glucose. And 3. The bigger the anaerobic effort, the bigger the debt to repay. Common slip. Oxygen debt isn't lack of oxygen during exercise. That's just anaerobic respiration. Oxygen debt specifically refers to the extra oxygen needed after exercise has stopped. Even after you've stopped running, the debt is still there until the lactic acid is fully broken down. Quick example, run a 100-meter sprint. Let's say total race time 12 seconds, but you keep panting for another 2 minutes after the finish line. That extra panting is repaying the oxygen debt, supplying the oxygen needed to clear the lactic acid your muscles produce during the sprint. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks, one for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.